evening, students. Welcome to my channel, Millennium Institute of Mathematics. Students, in the previous class, we have already discussed uh, about case 1 of method 3 to find out a number of rational numbers between your given rational numbers a and b. Suppose your given rational numbers are a and b and you want to find out a number of rational numbers between them by following method 3. But we have already discussed about case 1 only of method 3, and I had already told you that method 3 has two different cases, case 1 and case 2. In the case 1, your given rational numbers were like and consecutive. Like का मतलब है they have the same denominator, and consecutive का मतलब है one is the next of the other. It means in case 1, your given rational numbers were like as well as consecutive also. But in today's class, we will discuss about case 2. About case 2, to solve similar type of problems, that is to find out n number of rational numbers between your given rational numbers a and b. So let's start discussing about case 2. Case 2 of method 3. Students, I have already told you that in case 1, of method 3, your given rational numbers a and b were like and also consecutive. I have already told you in the previous class that in case 1, your two given rational numbers, suppose a and b are your two given rational numbers. So these two given rational numbers are like and consecutive. The word like means having the same denominator. Both the rational numbers will have the same denominator. Therefore, they are called like, having the same denominator. And the term consecutive means one is the next of the other. So the given rational numbers in case 1 are like, it means they have the same denominator, and they are also consecutive, it means one is the next of the other. For example, case 1 का example, suppose 3 by 5, 4 by 5 are your given rational number. It means value of a equal to 3 by 5 and value of b equal to 4 by 5. So these two are your given rational numbers in case 1, and you see that both the rational numbers have the same denominator, that is 5. Therefore, they are called like. They are said to be like. And you also see that 4 by 5, this rational number is the next of 3 by 5. And so, they are called consecutive. So, such type of rational numbers were given in case 1 of method 3. But In case 2, your given rational numbers, suppose your given rational numbers are suppose 3 by 7 and 5 by 7. Suppose these two rational numbers have been given in case 2, and in this case you see that only their denominators are same, for which they are only called like, for which they are called only like, but they are not consecutive because they are not consecutive, because one rational number, that is 5 by 7 is not the next rational number of 3 by 7. It means one rational number is not the next of the other rational number. Therefore, they are not consecutive. So the difference between case 1 and case 2 is that in this case the two given rational numbers are both like and consecutive, whereas in this case your given rational numbers are only like, but they are not consecutive because one is not the next of the other. So how to find n number of rational numbers between such type of rational numbers, where the two rational numbers are only like but they are not consecutive. So in this case, how can you find out n number of rational numbers between them? So in today's class, we will discuss about case 2. First note it. Students, to discuss about case 2 or to understand case 2 better, we will take an example, and we will take question number 5 from exercise 1A of the chapter rational number, of the chapter number system of class 9 from R.S. Agrawal math book. So we will take question number 5 of exercise 1A as our example to be cleared about case 2. Suppose your given rational numbers are 3 by 7 and 5 by 7, and in the question you are asked to find out suppose 4 rational numbers you want to find out between 3 by 7 and 5 by 7. So how can you solve it? How can you solve such type of problem? The question is find 4 rational numbers. Between 3 by 7 and 5 by 7. This is the question, and it is from exercise 1A, question number 5. In this question, you are asked to find out 4 rational number. It means value of n equal to 4 in this case. Students, mark carefully that these 2 rational numbers are your given rational numbers, and suppose out of these two given rational numbers, suppose value of a equal to 3 by 7 and value of b equal to 5/7. And you want to find out four rational numbers, four rational numbers between them. You want to find out four rational numbers between these two given rational numbers. So what's the procedure? Students, in this case, the two rational numbers are only like because they have the same denominator, that is 7. But they are not consecutive because one is, it makes 5/7, is not the next of 3/7. Therefore, they are non-consecutive. So, what will you do in this case? Therefore, first remember case 1. Suppose in case 1, the two rational numbers are 3/5 and 4/5. In this case, what did you do? You only changed these two given rational numbers. Into their respective equivalent rational numbers by multiplying the numerator 3 and the denominator 5 by a suitable number. In this case also, it means in case of 4/5, you also did the same thing. You only changed 4/5 into its equivalent rational number by multiplying its numerator 4 and its denominator 5 by a suitable number. Yes, in case 1, the two given rational numbers were changed into their respective equivalent rational number by multiplying a suitable number both by the numerator and denominator of each rational number. You only did this in case 1. So similar thing you have to do in case 2. What is that? Your duty is to change 3/7 and also 5/7 into their respective equivalent rational numbers by multiplying the numerator 3 and the denominator 7 by a suitable number, and also by multiplying the numerator 5 and the denominator 7 of this rational number by their suitable number. What I told you? I told you that like case 1, in case 2 also, the two given rational numbers will be changed into their equivalent rational number by multiplying a suitable number by the numerator and denominator of this rational number, and also by the numerator and denominator of this rational number. Similar thing you have to do in case 2 just like in case 1. But in this case, this suitable number can be found out easily by using the formula n plus 1, where n equal to the number of rational numbers you want to find out. So n का वैल्यू कितना है? जितना रेशनल नंबर आपको इंस्ट्रक्शन है फाइंड आउट करने के लिए n का वैल्यू उतना ही है. सपोज suppose you want to find out four rational number between these two given rational number. You want to find out four rational number, therefore n का वैल्यू 4 हो जाएगा. And simply you apply the rule n plus 1 equal to 4 plus 1 equal to 5, and this is the suitable number which is multiplied by the numerator and denominator of this rational number, and also by the numerator and denominator of this rational number. Simply you use the formula n plus 1 to find out this suitable number. It is very easier. But in this case, the suitable number, what will be the suitable number? That to be multiplied by the numerator and denominator of this rational number and also this rational number in order to change them into their equivalent rational number. So it is your duty, or it is very very important to decide this suitable number, that which suitable number will be multiplied here and also here in order to change them their equivalent rational number. So your duty is to find out this suitable number. It means how can you find out this suitable number? First note it. Suppose students, we will consider this suitable number as x. Suppose that suitable number which should be multiplied by the numerator and denominator of each rational number each x. Yes, this suitable number was considered as x. Suppose it means you have to decide. What is the suitable value. What will be the suitable value for x? You have to decide it, and that number should be multiplied here and also here to change these two given rational numbers into their respective equivalent rational numbers. So you have to find out the value of x. x हम किसको कंसिडर किया? ये जो नंबर है ना, जिसको हम फाइंड आउट करना है, ये नंबर को हम x कंसिडर किया. So simply you have to find the value of x. So how can you find out the value of x? Students, first note it. So students, to find out the value of x, we simply use a formula. Or trick. What is the trick? The trick is that b plus x minus 1 into d is equal to the number of rational numbers those to be found out sorry, that to be found out, not those, that to be found out between your given rational number A and B. Between your given rational numbers, between your given rational numbers A and B. Yes, this is the trick, or this is the formula that can be used to decide the value of x. So this formula can be used to decide the value of x. ये x क्या है? Already I have told you that the suitable number that to be multiplied by the numerator and denominator of each rational number, by the numerator and denominator of each rational number, in order to find their respective equivalent rational number. That suitable number, this suitable number has been considered as x. So अगर x का वैल्यू आपने फाइंड आउट कर दिया तो ये सुइटेबल नंबर आपको मिल गया, मान जाओ ये सुइटेबल नंबर आपको मिल गया. So your duty is to find out the value of x. So the value of x will depend upon this formula. In this formula it has been written that b plus x minus 1 into d equal to the number of rational numbers that to be found out between your given rational numbers a and b. Students, in this formula you see that three variables: b, it is a variable; x, it is also a variable; and d, it is also a variable. These three variables have been used. So what do they indicate to? It means these three variables indicate to what things? Mark it. इधर जो b लिखा है ना, ये इंडिकेट करता है, ये b इंडिकेट करता है, किसको इंडिकेट करता है? नंबर ऑफ रेशनल नंबर्स. b indicates to number of rational numbers. Number of rational numbers already exist between your two given rational number 3/7 and 5/7. Between your given rational number between your given rational numbers 3/7 and 5/7. Yes, b indicates to the number of rational numbers already exist between your given rational numbers 3/7 and 5/7. Similarly, x किसको इंडिकेट करता है? x इंडिकेट करता है कौन सा सुइटेबल नंबर आपने मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे by the numerator and denominator of each rational number to find out their equivalent rational number. So it is x. Similarly, d किसको इंडिकेट करता है? d indicates to the difference. d indicates to the difference between the numerators, of both given rational numbers. Yes, D means the difference between the numerators of both the given rational number. Yes, 3/7 में the numerator 3 है, 5/7 में the numerator 5 है. So 5 and 3 ये दोनों का डिफरेंस को हम D कंसिडर किया. यस, 5 and 3 ये दोनों नंबर का डिफरेंस को हम D कंसिडर किया. Therefore, D equal to difference between the numerators of both given rational numbers. It means difference between 3 and 5. So finally, I am telling you that B indicates to the number of rational numbers already exist between your given rational number 3/7 and 5/7. D indicates to the difference between the numerators of both given rational numbers. So according to this, it is clear that value of V will be 1. Why? Why value of V will be 1? Because you see that between 3/7 and 5/7 only one rational number already exists, that is 4/7. That is 4/7. So B का वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगा, क्योंकि only one rational number already exists between your two given rational numbers 3/7 and 5/7. Therefore B का वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगा. And value of D equal to, D किसको इंडिकेट करता है? डिफरेंस बिटवीन द न्यूमरेटर्स ऑफ बोथ गिवन रेशनल नंबर. यस, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन 5 and 3. Yes, 3 is the numerator of 3/7, 5 is the numerator of 5/7. So difference between these two numerators is 2. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So B का वैल्यू और D का वैल्यू हमने डिसाइड कर लिया. B का वैल्यू 1 है and D का वैल्यू 2 है. And D का वैल्यू 1 है. So in place of B you have to put 1, and in place of D you have to put 2. Now the numbers of rational numbers, it has been written here, the number of rational numbers that to be found out between your given rational number A and B. So it is already 4. Yes, in the question you are asked to find out 4 rational number. Yes, 4 rational number आपको find out करना है between these two rational number. Therefore number of rational number that to be found out between your given rational number A and B equal to 4 in this place. Therefore in this place you have to put, in this place you have to put 4. 4 put करना है. So now you have got, you have first note it, because there is no space here to write. First note it. So students, finally you have got B plus x minus 1 into D equal to 4. Equal to 4. Yes, ये जो 4 है ना, it means you have to find out totally 4 rational number between these two given rational numbers. Therefore in this place 4 will be written. So it is the rule, it is the formula. This formula is used to find out value of x. Yes, x का value find out करने के लिए this formula will be used. Now put value of b, that is 1. Already I have mentioned that b का value 1 है, because already one rational number exists between these two. Already one rational number exists between these two, therefore b का value 1 हो जाएगा. d का value 2. It is the difference between the numerator of both the rational number. It is the difference between 5 and 3. Suppose 1 in place of b plus x का value it is unknown, so it will remain same, minus 1, and in place of d put 2. It is the value of d. It is the value of d. So in place of d 2 was put, equal to 4. That implies इसका वैल्यू, इट मीन्स x minus 1 into 2. इसका वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए 1 will be subtracted from 4. It means x minus 1 into 2 will be equal to 4 minus 1. Yes, 1 will be transferred to the RHS side and will be subtracted from 4. Now x minus 1 into 2 equal to 3. So students, look at here. Already you have got x minus 1 into 2 equal to 3. From this, you are clear that x minus 1 will be a number that to be multiplied by 2 to get the result 3. But students, already you know that multiplication table 2 में multiplication table 2 में ये जो नंबर 3 है ना, ये टेबल 2 में, मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल 2 में नहीं है. यस, चेक इट. 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6 and so on. And you see that there is no 3 in table 2. There is no 3. Yes, 2 into this number, it is considered as only one number. X minus 1 will be considered as only one number. So when 2 will be multiplied by this number, you get the product or result 3. It is impossible because टेबल 2 में, मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल 2 में 3 जैसा कोई नंबर नहीं है. चेक इट. Therefore, it is your duty to take its next number, that is 4. Yes, ये जो 4 है ना, इसमें लिखा है 2 2 जा 4. ये 4, ये 3 का नेक्स्ट नंबर है which is already in table 2. इसीलिए ये 3 का बदले में आपको 4 लेना है, क्योंकि टेबल 2 में 4 एग्जिस्ट है, बट टेबल 2 में 3 जैसा कोई नंबर नहीं है. इसीलिए योर ड्यूटी इज टू टेक 4 in place of 3. Now you have got that. X minus 1 into 2 equal to 4, not 3, because 3 does not exist in multiplication table 2. So you have got x minus 1 into 2 equal to 4. 3 के प्लेस में हम 4 लिया, क्योंकि 4 टेबल 2 में है, 3 टेबल 2 में नहीं है. Now 4 will be divided by 2 and you get value of x minus 1, that is 2. So finally you have got x minus 1 equal to 2. Now value of x equal to 2 plus 1. Yes, x minus 1 equal to 2. Therefore, x will be equal to 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So, value of x equal to 3. It means that suitable number which will be multiplied by the numerator and denominator of this rational number and also by the numerator and denominator of this rational number is 3. क्योंकि x का वैल्यू 3 हो गया. Now, so your solution will be easier now because you have already find out value of x. It means you have already found out that suitable number that to be multiplied by the numerator and denominator of this number, this rational number and also this rational number. So now proceed. First note. So students, you have already find out the value of x, that is 3. So now write the two rational numbers 3 by 7 and 5 by 7. Now multiply the numerator and denominator by 3 because it is the suitable number which should be multiplied by 3 and by 7 in order to change this rational number into its equivalent rational number. So 3 will be written here. It means value of x will be written here 3. And also in this case the numerator and denominator will be multiplied by 3. Now you have got here 9 by 21 and in this case you have got 15 by 21. 9 by 21 is the equivalent rational number of 3 by 7. 15 by 21 is the equivalent rational number of 5 by 7. It means in place of 3 by 7 you have to write 9 by 27. Sorry, 9 by 21. And in place of 5 by 7 you have to write 15 by 21. Now you have got the rational number 10 by 21. It is the first rational number. Then 11 by 21. It is the second rational number. Then 12 by 21. It is the third rational number. Then 13 by 21. It is the fourth rational number. And then 14 by 21. It is the fifth rational number. So you have already got 5 rational number between 9 by 21 and 15 by 21. Or now in place of 9 by 21 again write 3 by 7 because 3 by 7 का इक्वलेंट रेशनल नंबर 9 by 21 था, इसलिए 9 by 21 का प्लेस में again 3 by 7 लिखो. Similarly in place of 15 by 21 write 5 by 7 because 5 by 7 is the equivalent rational number of 15 by 21 or 15 by 21 is the equivalent rational number of 5 by 7. Therefore in place of 15 by 21 you have to write 5 by 7. Now 3 by 7 and 5 by 7 already you have got 5 rational number, but in the question you are asked to find out 4 rational number, so it is your duty to choose 4 rational number of your own choice out of this 5 rational number. Suppose you choose this one and forget it. इसको भूल जाओ. So 10 by 21, 11 by 21, 12 by 21 and 13 by 21. These 4 are your required rational numbers between your given rational numbers 3 by 7 and 5 by 7. Now your solution is complete. So this solution depend upon the value of x. It is the very important to decide. If you once decided value of x, then this problem will be easier for you to solve. First note it. Now students, We will take another example to be cleared more about case 2. Therefore, we will take another example from outer source, not from the exercise 1K. The question is that find 100 rational number. The question is that it is another example. It is another example, not from your exercise. It is another example. Find 100 rational number. 100. Find 100 rational numbers between minus 4 by 11 and 7 by 11. Yes, these two are your given rational numbers. It is another example. Students, consider minus 4 by 1 as A and 7 by 11. Consider minus 4 by 11 as A and consider 7 by 11 as B. And you see that the two given rational numbers are only like because they have the same denominator, that is 11. Therefore, they are only like. But they are not consecutive. Because one is not the next of the other. So, in this case, you follow the same process. You have to follow the same process. First, your duty is to change minus 4 by 11 and also 7 by 11 into their equivalent rational numbers by multiplying the numerator minus 4 and the denominator 11 by a suitable number. And here also you have to change 7 by 11 into its equivalent rational number by multiplying its numerator 7 and its denominator 11 by that suitable number. So these two will be the equivalent rational number of these two. So it is your duty to decide which number should be multiplied here. It is the suitable number. So you have to decide that suitable number, that which number will be multiplied by the numerator and denominator of this rational number and by the numerator and denominator of this rational number. And that rational number will depend upon the formula. Already I have told you that that suitable number will depend upon the formula b plus x minus 1 into d equal to 100. Yes, ये जो 100 है ना, ये total number of rational number that to be found out between these two. It is already asked in the question. 100 rational number आपको find out करना है. Therefore, in this place 100 will be written. So now you have got b plus x minus 1 into d equal to 100. Now put the value of b and value of d. X is unknown because you have to find out the value of x, and value of x will be that suitable number. Yes, ये जो suitable number है ना, ये x को indicate करता है. ये जो suitable number है ना, ये x को indicate करता है. So it is unknown. Only you have to put the value of b and value of d. Now, value of b. What does b indicate to? B indicate to the rational numbers that already exist between these two given rational numbers. So first find out how many rational numbers are already exist between these two rational numbers. Therefore, you have to simply subtract -4 from 7. 7 minus -4, and again you have to subtract 1. It is the formula to decide how many rational numbers already exist between these two. It is the formula. What is the formula? Subtract this numerator from this numerator and then again subtract 1. It means you have to do double subtraction. Equal to 7 plus 4 minus 1 equal to 7 plus 4 11 हो गया, minus 1 equal to 10. It means b का वैल्यू 10 हो गया. It means already 10 rational numbers exist between these two. Already 10 rational number exist between these two rational numbers. But in the question you are asked to find out 100 rational numbers. So value of b will be taken as 10 plus x will remain same because it is unknown, x minus 1. Now d का value, d is the difference between the numerator of both rational number, so d का value कितना होगा? Simply subtract -4 from 7 in order to find the difference between -4 and 7. 7 minus -4 is equal to 7 plus 4 equal to 11. Yes, d का value 11 हो गया. Now put value of d equal to 11, then equal sign and write 100. That implies x minus 1 into 11, इसका वैल्यू 90 हो गया. कैसे? 10 सब्ट्रैक्ट हो गया फ्रॉम 100. सो x minus 1 into 11 equal to 100 minus 10 equal to 90. So x minus 1 into 11 इसका वैल्यू 90 हो गया. But you see that the multiplication table 11 में 90 जैसा कोई भी नंबर नहीं है. Check it. 11 1 जा 11, 11 2 जा 22, so on. Then 11 8 जा 88, 11 9 जा 99. You see that there is no 90 in this table. In table 11, in multiplication table 11, there is no 90. Therefore, you have to take 99 because 99 90 से ज्यादा है, इसीलिए हम 99 को कंसिडर करेंगे. 99 को ले जाएंगे ये 90 का प्लेस में. 90 का प्लेस में हम 99 को कंसिडर करेंगे बिकॉज 90 इज नॉट ए मल्टीपल ऑफ 11. 90 इज नॉट ए मल्टीपल ऑफ 11. इसका मतलब है टेबल 11 में 90 जैसा कोई भी नंबर नहीं है, इसलिए 90 से ज्यादा कौन सा नंबर है टेबल 11 में? 99 है. इसलिए आपको 99 लेना है इसी प्लेस में. So finally you have got x minus 1 into 11 equal to 90. In place of 90 we considered 99 because 99 11 का मल्टीपल है, 90 11 का मल्टीपल नहीं है. Now students first note it because there is no space to write here. First note it, then I will erase it. So students, finally you have got x minus 1 into 11 equal to 99. This step. Now x minus 1 will be 99 divided by 11. 99 divided by 11, that is 9. Now value of x equal to 9 plus 1 equal to 10. It means ये जो x का वैल्यू 10 हो गया ना, it means you have to multiply 10 here, 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 here. It means 10 is your suitable number. 10 is your suitable number that to be multiplied by the numerator and denominator of this rational number and also by the numerator and denominator of this rational number. So 10 is your suitable number. Now multiply minus 4 into 10 equal to minus 40 by 11 into 10 equal to 110. It means minus 4 by 11 का इक्वालेंट और इक्वल रेशनल नंबर minus 40 by 110 हो गया. Similarly 7 by 11 का इक्वालेंट रेशनल नंबर 70 by 110 हो गया. Students first note it. Now students, we have got minus 40 by 110. It is the equivalent rational number of minus 4 by 11. So minus 4 by 11 का प्लेस में minus 40 by 110 को हम लिख दिया. Similarly, in place of 7 by 11, you will write 70 by 110 because it is the equivalent or equal rational number of 7 by 11. Now you have got minus 39 by 110, minus 38 by 110, dots, then minus 1 by 110, then 0, then 1 by 110, then 2 by 110, and so on. Then then 58 110, 59 by 110, 60 by 110, then 69 by 110, then 70 by 110. So these are the rational numbers between minus 4 by 110 and 70 by 110. Already from these to this, they are 39 rational numbers. Zero is a rational number. It is one rational number. 0. And from 1 by 110 to 60 by 110, from 1 by 110 to 60 by 110, they are 60 rational numbers. And from 61 by 110 to 69 by 110, they are 9 rational numbers. फिर से बोल देता हूँ. From minus 39 by 110 to minus 1 by 110, they are 39. They are 39 rational numbers. It is one rational number. And from 1 by 110 to 60 by 110, it is 60 rational numbers. It is 60 rational numbers. And from 61 by 110 to 69 by 110, They are 9 rational numbers. So totally you have found out 39 rational number, 1 rational number, 60 rational number and 9 rational number. So totally you have found out 109 rational numbers. Already you have found out 109 rational number between your given rational number minus 4 by 11 and 7 by 11. But in the question, it is asked to you only to find 100 rational number. Therefore, out of these 109 rational numbers, you only need to write 100 rational number, that is from minus 39 to 39 by 110 to 60 by 110. From this one to this one, they are 100 rational number. Yes, ये तीनों को हम ले जाएंगे. ये 9 रेशनल नंबर को हम आउट कर देंगे. सो टोटल हो गया 100 रेशनल नंबर. टोटल हो गया 100 रेशनल नंबर. सो और एक स्टेप आपको लिखना है. इन द प्लेस ऑफ minus 40 by 110 you will write minus 4 by 11, and in place of 70 by 110 you have to write 7 by 11. So in this place we wrote minus 4 by 11, in this place we wrote 7 by 11. इसका मतलब है ये दोनों का बीच already from this one to this one there are 100 rational numbers. So this is your solution. Only you have to out these 9 rational number, because totally 109 rational number have been found out, but in the question you have to only find out 100 rational number. Therefore, out of this 109 rational number, you have to write only 100 rational number, that is from this one to this one. Now your solution is complete. Note it. So स्टूडेंट्स, आज के लिए इतना ही काफी है. सो इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास we will again proceed. Note it. स्टूडेंट्स, ये जो फॉर्मूला है ना, ये जो आपको हम बोल दिया, ये जो सुइटेबल नंबर को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए ये जो फॉर्मूला है ना, b प्लस एक्स माइनस 1 into d equal to total number of rational number. You require to find out total number of rational number you require to find out. ये जो फॉर्मूला है ना, ये कौन सा बुक में, किसी भी बुक में ये फॉर्मूला किसी भी बुक में आपको नहीं मिलेगा. ये मेरा ओन ट्रिक है. दिस फॉर्मूला will make the problem very easier for you to solve. So it is your duty to remember this formula in your mind. So good night.